My dear children, can you tell who is this eminent person? He is Mr. Srinivas Ramanujam. He was a great Indian mathematician. In his memory, BGM School is celebrating National Mathematics Day 2020 on 22nd December. This day is 133rd birth anniversary of Mr. Srinivas Ramanujam. He was a legendary Indian mathematician. For this, I will tell you one math trick. So, let us start. Dear children, how are you? I think you are fine. Okay, today we will learn the multiplication of a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number. Okay, I think you know that multiplication table up to 10. If this much you know, then also you can multiply. Okay, I am writing here some numbers. You think what will be the answer? Is 5 numbers here I have given. Can you tell what is the answer? Think. But you see how I am answering all these. Okay. You see, first answer. This one. You may think that I have got by heart all these really. Okay, this one I am doing. This one. Then this one. You see, you can also verify by doing actual multiplication, you know. But how I am writing all these answers immediately? Actually, I am not multiplying step by step as you are doing or as you know. But here I am applying some tricks. If you will learn this trick today, then you can also multiply. Can you? Okay, let us see that how to multiply these numbers, this 2-digit number with another 2-digit number by the simplest way, by following some tricks. Okay, be ready. Let us start. Welcome once again. Today we learn that multiplication of a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number. But not by using the usual method as you are doing. So some new tricks we learn today. Okay, what 23 into 27? What you have got the answer? 621 by multiplying the previously what you have done, or as usual you are doing. But now I will tell you some tricks how immediately you can get. See, you write 23 here, 27, but don't think that will multiply as you are doing. You see here, only this ones digit that will multiply. 3 and 7. 3 7 ja, or 7 3 ja, that is 21. Now what you will do, this here 2, both are 2 here, but will not multiply 2 into 2. What will multiply? 2 with its successor, means the next number. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into the next number, successor of 2, that is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. So you write 6 here. Same answer. Okay, in one line you can get the answer. Can you understand what you do? Only this one digit will multiply. 3 into 7, that is 21. That you will write. Here what 10 digits are same. So we'll multiply this 2 with its successor. So 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, now let us see another number. Suppose 42 into 48. In one line, can you tell? In one line, not usual calculation. Can you multiply? First what you will do? These ones digits you multiply. In your mind you can do 2 into 8 or 8 into 2, that is 16. Now here both are 4. So this 4 will multiply with what? Its successor, means next number, that is 5. 4 into 5 is 20. So this answer is over. Easy or not? Can you do? I will tell you some other number. You can also verify by multiplying in your usual method whether you are getting this answer or not. Could you follow what is the condition? That sum of the ones digits must be 10. Then only we can apply this process. Not that with any number or any two numbers. So if 53 you are taking here, then the other number you have to take 57. So that 3 plus 7, that will be 10. But have you mad? What are the other numbers also I am taking? The tens digits are same. The previously two examples I had given, the tens digits both are same. So what is the second condition? So first condition is sum of the one digits, means in both the numbers, one digits must be 10. And second point, second condition to apply this process, that tens digits must be same. If here 5, here also 5. Can you do? Can you understand what are the conditions? These two, sum of one digit, these two must be, means if you add these two, then it must be 10 and the tens digits must be same. If here 5, here 5. If here 4, here 4. If here 7, here also 7. Okay. Now this one, let us see how to get the answer immediately. Now you can get, you see 7 into 3, that is 21. Then here both 5. So 5 will multiply with 6. Its successor. So 5 into 6 is 30. So this is the answer. And where one digit you will get, the other one must be, means you should put 0 here. Okay, I am giving another example so that you can understand. But keep in mind that these two points must be fulfilled, these two conditions. Okay, I am giving another example. Suppose 61 into 69. Here this condition is fulfilled. Sum of the one digit, here 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10th digits must be same, here 10 digits same. Okay, then what will you do? Here 1 into 9, that is 9, but I had told you don't keep it one digit, you make it 2 digits, so that you write 0, 9. If 2 digits, okay, here 2 digits 21, so here you can do 2 digits. Okay, so by putting 0, then this 6, can you tell me 6 will multiply with what? 6 you multiply with the successor, 6, 7, 42. If you will make practice, actually immediately you will tell. I am explaining, for that actually you are taking more time, otherwise just by looking you can say. I think you understood this one. Make practice. It is like a fun, you see, when others cannot multiply, means immediately they can say, so you can tell immediately. Suppose it is, you see, 85 into 85. Can you multiply? You just tell. Just by looking. Shall I tell? You see, it is 7225. How? How 7225? Means 7225. How? You see, 5 into 5, 25. 8 will multiply with its successor. 9. 8 into 9, 72. And the condition fulfilled here. Same here. Sum of these two, one digit, 10. And here these two are same. Can you understand? Easy or not? So the same number you can multiply different numbers, but these two conditions you should remember. Okay. Thank you.